everyone! Welcome to our channel! Today we want to draw a delicious and funny strawberry together. Let's get it started! First, we want a circle for the eyes. We draw a circle like this right here.
Are these two circles enough?
No, we also need 4 smaller circles. We need 2 smaller circles inside both eyes so that the eyes are cute and bright. Fill the inside of the eyes completely with black color. Smiling strawberry are the best. Do you know that strawberries are a type of rose? So you can give them to your friends as birthday gift and make them happy. Isn't that cool? A basket full of delicious strawberries. I love the smell of strawberries. How about you? Great! I know you like it too. This fruit is very tasty and has a lot of vitamins. So don't forget to eat strawberries to stay healthy. If you have come so far with me in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do you know what color strawberries are? Yes, you're right. They are red, pink, and even white. They taste sweet and a little sour. These are the strawberry seeds that sat on the fruit. You must have seen them before, and you know that they are very small and cute. Well, now it's time to coloring. Take your bright red color. My friends, you can use color pencil, pastels, or color markers instead of watercolor. color is green, like color of trees and flower leaves.
Take a brown color because we wanna paint a small state. Wow, it's so colorful!
This color is white. To have a more beautiful painting, we will make the paint lines bold.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you. See you soon.